Hello everybody, my name is Shalom. Today I have a short reading to share with you. Let's start with me. Picking a book. She goes to the library. She looks at the shelves. She pulls out a book. She opens the book. She reads the first page. She laughs. The book is funny. She goes to the checkout desk. She gives the book to the librarian. She takes out her library card. She gives it to the librarian. The librarian gives her back the card and the book. Thank you for listening to me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.